Are you ready to unlock the secrets of success in 2024? Picture this, a world where your skills not only open the doors but pave the way to financial abundance. Imagine mastering the art of digital marketing, data analysis, software development, and much more. Skills that not only command high incomes but also shape the future of industries. But wait, there's more. Dive into the realms of investment banking, artificial intelligence, and blockchain development, where innovation meets opportunity at every turn. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we explore the top high income skills of 2024, revealing the strategies, techniques, and insights that can catapult you towards unparalleled success. Get ready to ignite your curiosity, fuel your ambition, and embark on a path towards limitless potential. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering high income skills and transforming your life in 2024. Let's dive in. Investment banking. Investment banking is a specialized field within the financial industry that focuses on providing advisory services, raising capital, and facilitating mergers and acquisitions for corporations, governments, and other institutions. Investment bankers serve as intermediaries between companies seeking capital and investors looking to deploy funds. They offer strategic financial advice, conduct due diligence, structure and execute complex financial transactions, and help clients navigate regulatory requirements and market conditions. Investment banking services include underwriting securities, providing mergers and acquisitions, restructuring distressed assets, and offering corporate finance solutions. Investment bankers possess strong analytical, quantitative, and communication skills, as well as a deep understanding of financial markets, valuation methodologies, and industry trends. They work in fast paced, high pressure environments, often collaborating with multidisciplinary teams of analysts, associates, and senior executives to deliver innovative and tailored solutions that meet client needs and objectives. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. AI technologies include machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. AI specialists develop algorithms, models, and applications that enable machines to analyze data, make predictions, recognize patterns, understand language, and interact with the environment autonomously. AI is applied across diverse industries, including healthcare, transportation, retail, and cybersecurity. AI specialists possess expertise in programming languages like Python or Java, as well as knowledge of statistical methods, data structures, and software development frameworks. They collaborate with domain experts, data scientists, and engineers to design and deploy AI solutions that address real-world problems, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. Blockchain development. Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed ledger system that enables secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain developers design, develop, and deploy blockchain-based applications and smart contracts using blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Hyperledger, or Binance Smart Chain. They possess expertise in programming language such as Solidity, Go, or JavaScript, as well as knowledge of cryptographic principles, consensus, mechanism, and decentralized protocols. Blockchain development encompasses various use cases, including cryptocurrency, supply chain management, tracking and tracing goods, digital identity verification. Blockchain developers collaborate with stakeholders, regulators, and communities to design and implement blockchain solutions that enhance security, transparency, and trust in digital transactions and ecosystems. Sales and negotiation. Sales and negotiation skills are essential for professional across industries to build relationships, close deals, and drive revenue growth. Sales professionals identify prospects, qualify leads, deliver compelling sales presentations, overcome objections, and negotiate terms and contracts to win business opportunities. They possess strong communication, persuasion, and interpersonal skills, as well as deep product knowledge and market expertise. Successful salespeople understand customer needs, pain points, and buying motivations, allowing them to tailor solutions and value propositions that address specific challenges and deliver measurable results. Effective negotiation involves establishing rapport, understanding interests and priorities, exploring options, and reaching mutually beneficial agreements that satisfy both parties. Sales professionals work closely with marketing, product, and customer success teams to align strategies, generate demand, and deliver value throughout the sales cycle. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art and science of crafting persuasive and compelling writing content that engages audiences, communicates value propositions, and drives desired actions such as making a purchase, signing up for a service, or subscribing to a newsletter. Copywriters create various types of content, including website copy, product descriptions in sales pages, email campaigns, advertisements, and social media posts, using persuasive language, storytelling techniques, and psychological triggers to elicit emotional responses and motivate readers to take action. They conduct research, understand target audiences, and tailor messaging to resonate with specific demographics, preferences, and pain points. Effective copywriting involves attention to detail, creativity, empathy, and an understanding of marketing principles and consumer behavior. Copywriters collaborate with marketing, branding, and design teams. UI UX design. User experience and user interface design focus on creating intuitive, functional, and aesthetically pleasing digital experiences that delight users, enhance usability, and drive engagement. UX designer conduct user research, develop user personas, and design user flows and wireframes to optimize the overall usability and accessibility of digital products, such as websites, mobile apps, and software interfaces. They prioritize user needs, behaviors, and preferences, employing usability testing and iterative design processes to gather feedback and refine digital designs based on user insights. UI designers focus on the visual and interactive aspect of digital interfaces, including layout, typography, color schemes, icons, and interactive elements to create visually appealing and consistent designs that reflect brand identity and convey information effectively. Financial planning. Financial planning involves the process of setting financial goals, assessing current financial status, developing strategies, and implementing action plans to achieve desired outcomes. Such as wealth accumulation, retirement planning, risk management, and estate planning. Financial planners analyze income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and investments. They provide guidance and recommendations on various financial matters, including budgeting, debt management, insurance coverage, tax planning, investment selection, and asset allocation, helping clients make informed decisions and navigate life transitions. Financial planners to stay abreast of market trends, regulatory changes, and financial products and services to offer relevant and up-to-date advice themselves clients' financial well-being and security. As we conclude this journey through the world of high-income skills, remember that success is not just about what you know, but how you apply that knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and may your journey towards success be filled with boundless growth, prosperity, and fulfillment. Until next time, keep striving, keep innovating, and keep shining bright in all that you do. Farewell, and may your future be bright as your aspirations. Thanks.